Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Minecraft theme on the ukulele. We'll start by learning 3 essential chords: C, G, and a minor. These are fundamental for many songs. Focus on placing your fingers precisely on the fretboard for a clear sound. Practice transitioning between these chords slowly at first, building muscle memory. This foundational step is crucial for playing the melody smoothly and confidently. Next, let's master the strumming pattern. For the Minecraft theme, a simple down, down, up, up, down pattern works perfectly. Remember to keep your strumming hand relaxed and loose. This helps maintain a consistent rhythm and prevents fatigue. Begin practicing this pattern very slowly, perhaps counting out loud. Once you feel comfortable and steady, gradually increase your speed until it sounds natural and flowing. Now, it's time to put everything together and play the main melody. You'll combine the C, G, and a minor chords with the strumming pattern we just learned. Pay close attention to the timing of your chord changes, ensuring they align with the rhythm. It's incredibly helpful to listen to the original Minecraft theme. This will guide your ear and help you capture the song's feel and tempo accurately. To truly master this tune and improve your ukulele skills, consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 10 to 15 minutes of practice each day. Consider using a metronome. It's an excellent tool for developing precise timing and a steady rhythm. Once you're comfortable with the Minecraft theme, don't stop there. Explore other simple ukulele songs to continue expanding your repertoire and musical journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.